Hi, this is seventh video of Key to Success in Agriculture. Neem cake is act as nitrification inhibitor. The predator Chrysoperla is used for control of aphid. American marigold is a good trap crop for American bollworm. Bivariana bassiana, Verticillium lecani, Metarhizium anisopli, and Nomeria relay. These are bioagents used to control sucking pest. Trichoderma is a parasitoid used to control shoot borer in sugarcane. India represents only 0.03% area under organic farming out of cultivated area. Eisenia foetida is a epigenic type of earthworm. The excreta and dead remains of bird, it is called guano, bird guano. Hoeing is a mechanical method of weed control. The full form of EcoCert is ecological certification. In India, Uttaranchal is considered as 100% organic farming state. Sikkim also. Velgo mycoherbicide is used for control of velvet leaf weed. According to conservative estimate, around 600 to 700 million ton of agriculture waste is available. Gypsum is a chemical used to prevent volatilization loss of nitrogen in FIM. Compost contains 0.5% nitrogen, FIM contains 0.5% nitrogen, vermicompost contains 0.7% nitrogen. The sludge that settle at the bottom of tank is known as activated sludge. It is estimated that India produces about 2.5 million ton of oil cake annually. The non-edible cake are especially used as manure in horticulture crop. FIM contains 0.5% of nitrogen, compost contains 0.5% nitrogen, vermicompost contains 3% nitrogen, night soil contains 5.5% nitrogen, groundnut cake contains 7.3% nitrogen, castor cake contains 4.5% nitrogen. વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટમાં 3% નેમરા સુંડામાં આપ્યું અને આ બુકમાં કમ્પોસ્ટ વર્મી કમ્પોસ્ટ માટે 0.7% આપ્યું, એટલે બેમાં થોડું કન્ફ્યુઝન છે. ફિશ મિલ ઇઝ યુઝડ ઇન પાવડર્ડ ફોર્મ. Earthworm daily feed material about 4 to 5 times more than their own weight. A liquid fertilizer collected after it passes of water through column of worm activation is known as vermiwash. Growing of green manure crop in the field and incorporating in its green stage in the same field is known as in situ green manuring. એમાં ક્રોપ આપે સનહેમ્પ, ધાન્ચા, ક્લસ્ટર બીન એન્ડ સસ્બેનિયા. એક્સ સિટુ ગ્રીન મેન્યુરિંગમાં ગ્લિસેરિડિયા, પોંગામિયા, નીમ એન્ડ મહુઆ. એઝોલા બાયોફર્ટિલાઇઝર ઇઝ મોસ્ટલી યુઝ ઇન ફ્લડેડ રાઇસ. GI144 castor varieties is used resistance against capsule borer. Marigold is grown as step crop to control helicoverpa pest in cotton and pigeon pea. There are about 3000 species of earthworm reported in the world. Blood meal contains 13 to 20% nitrogen. Sulfur element is used to control powdery mildew, rust and leaf blight. Mass multiplication of earthworm is known as vermiculture. Organic farming system rely on crop residue. What is the certification mark for organic product is India Organic. Which is the important worm species used for vermicomposting is Eisenia foetida. Which is the time for conversion of perennial organic crop is 3 years. Appropriate combination of farm enterprise designated as farming system. Solar heating of soil by covering wet soil with a transparent polythene during summer is known as solarization. Rhizobium is a bacteria found in the root nodule of legume crop. Azadirachtin is a botanical pesticide. The practice of gathering green biomass from nearby location and adding it to soil is known as green leaf manuring. Which crop used as green manure crop is Dhancha cluster bean susbenia. ग्रीन लीफ मेन्यूरिंग में यूज थाय है ग्लिसरीडिया पोंगामिया नील एंड महुआ. In which year National Program for Organic Production NPOP was started in India is 2000. Which was the first local organic certification body established in March 2022 Indosert. The head office of International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement located in Germany. Which type of herbicide is used in organic farming is bioherbicide. During initial year, production of organic crop is decreased. The practice of intercropping agriculture crop in the interspace between trees is known as agroforestry. In certified organic food labeling is necessary. The time between start of organic management and certification of crop and animal husbandry is known as conversion period. As per evidence, organic agriculture in India started long way in 19th century by Sir Albert Howard in local village of North India. Which bacteria possess the ability to solubilize chemically fixed soil phosphorus into soluble form is Pseudomonas striata. The commercial bioherbicide first appeared in market in USA in the early 80s with the release product name Devine, which caused strangle vine of citrus. Causal organism is Phytophthora species. Identify the major component of organic farming is a biofertilizer. What is the constraint in development of organic farming is organic market is limited. Why certification of organic product is necessary for maintaining its quality. Fast growing crop grown in the time interval between two main crops is catch crop. The crop employed to induce germination of specific parasitic weed without succumbing to it is trap crop. Lime can enhance the humidification process in plant residue by enhancing microbial population and the activity and by weakening the lignin structure. Lime improves the humus quality by changing the ratio of humic to fulvic acid and decrease the amount of bitumen. Vermicompost generally provide 0.7% nitrogen, but according to Nemresunda it is 3%. Compost ने FI માં 0.5% nitrogen હોય છે. The species of rhizobium for pea and lentil is Leguminosarum. The species of rhizobium for soybean, cowpea, groundnut and sun hemp is Japonicum. The species of rhizobium for chickpea Ciceri. For lucerne it is Meliloti. Genus of symbiotic nitrogen fixer for Susbenia rostrata stem nodule is Azorhizobium. Azotobacter is a free living bacteria. Azospirillum is a associative bacteria. Rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria. Nostoc is cyanobacteria, it is also symbiotic bacteria, and Frankia જે actinomyces છે એ પણ symbiotic bacteria છે. Pseudomonas is a pea solubilizing bacteria. The Herboscurium mycorrhiza mobilizing pea is Glomus species. Bacillus is a silicate and zinc solubilizing biofertilizer. Susbenia rostrata is a stem nodulating green manure crop. Glyceridia is a green leaf manuring crop. Cauliflower is suitable for plant to indicate nitrogen deficiency, rapeseed for phosphorus deficiency, potato for potassium deficiency, citrus for zinc deficiency, cauliflower for molybdenum deficiency, wheat is suitable plant to indicate copper deficiency. Biorationals comprise of use of pheromones and sticky trap in pest management. Trichogramma is a egg parasite. Tetraticus is a egg parasite and pupal parasite. Bracon is a larval parasite. Gonigus nephatidis is a larval parasite. Tetraticus species is a pupal parasite. Frateria aurantina is a potash solubilizing bacteria. Bacillus megatherium are cellulitic bacteria decomposing crop residue in soil. Acetobacter pastorianus help in converting non-usable form of sulfur to usable form. Parasite used in paddy, cotton, vegetable which occupy less than 30% of total area account for more than 80% of chemical use. Government agency for organic certification in Gujarat is GOPCA. It is not the certification body for organic farming is Eurocert, while Indocert, Ecocert and SCAL are the organic farming certification body. Which of the following is not chemical preservative used to reduce nitrogen loss and enrich FIM is DAP? બાયોસ્લરી કન્ટેન્ટ 1.1થી 1.8% નાઇટ્રોજન, F5ના કમ્પોસ્ટમાં 0.5% નાઇટ્રોજન. એન્ડોજેનિક ટાઈપ ઓફ અર્થવોર્મમાં નોટ સુટેબલ ફોર વર્મી કમ્પોસ્ટિંગ. Symbiotic nitrogen fixing microorganism Frankia is a actinomycet and Nostoc is a cyanobacteria. Organic farming largely avoid and exclude use of livestock feed. Organic farming is not a rely on growth regulator. Thank you.